we are starting Tour D right now in El Nido.
Welcome to El Nido. And sir, we would like to let you know, so because this is the things you need to the island.
Okay.
This is the part of your activities, and then there's a place right there, so you need to walk going to the place.
Okay.
Supposed to be there's a rocky area.
Oh, we have
If
shoes.
you have
We
water
have
shoes,
yeah,
that's
we have
good.
water shoes.
You have massive snorkels already.
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
That's the perfect one. Yeah, so
Sure.
this right here.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Maybe it's gonna be less crowded.
So this big mountain, Rock Mountain, that is the Cadlao Island. The Tour D is surrounded with this island.
All right. Let's do Tour D.
So I will be your tour guide. And ma'am, what's your name? Arlene. So from
Manila.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines. Okay, so clap your hands. Morning everyone, I'm Arlene, Manila represent. Manila represent from Philippines. Sir, what's your name?
Adrian,
Adrian from
France.
France. Okay. Vanessa from Colombia. Okay everyone, again, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so again, by the way, I'm Ram. So this is Eman. So we will be your tour guide for today. Is that okay for you? Yeah. If not, you don't have choice. Okay, so we have our boat captain, Captain John. He is the lost brother of Jack Sparrow, but in his Filipino version. We are doing Tour D today. So in Tour D, we have two kayaking activities. We have Cadlao Lagoon and Small Lagoon. And we have also 3 beaches, which is good for lunch and snorkeling. So we have Paradise Beach, Pasandigan Beach, and Serenity Beach. Okay? Okay, ma'am and sir, so we have rules and regulation here to be followed. So during our navigation, oh, you push me.
So our tour for today is just around this island that we are seeing right now. Very close to El Nido. Right now we are at Paradise Beach, not far away from the city of El Nido. It looks like this. We were the first boat. Right now it came the second boat. We had here around 40 minutes. High winds, big waves, some currents. So we just swim and took photos. We didn't fly the drone because of the safety reasons. We have 40 minutes here. Paradise Beach. Looks really nice. Really nice. People are doing snorkeling, photos. This is part of our group. There is Laura. This is Tour D. We had Tour C, but because of the high winds, we got cancelled and we switched to Tour D. Today we have 3 beaches and 2 lagoons, 2 kayaking opportunities. Section of the big Cadlao lagoon.
This is Cadlao Lagoon, and this island is called Cadlao Island. So it is one of the biggest and the highest island here in El Nido. So the height of this is 630 meters and the width of this is 10.1 square meters. So as I said, it is kayaking activities. So you need to rent kayak here, but it is optional for you. If you want to rent, you can.
And
If
if
you
not?
don't want, just stay here on the boat, or you can swim around the boat only. Don't go too far because later there's a lot of boats coming. You might hit by the boat, okay? So we will stay here 45 minutes and after that we will go to my favorite area. See you tomorrow.
How much
Thank
time?
you.
45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Okay.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Cadlao Lagoon, and we are kayaking. Awesome landscapes, and here is also a beach. Incredible. For just 400 pesos, that's roughly around $5 or $6. Tuzi van.
The views are amazing.
Do you like better than the big lagoon?
No, the big lagoon was incredible. But this one is nice as well.
It's nice, it's nice. Cadlao Lagoon and Cadlao Beach. Wonderful El Nido Tour D.
Tu és um perigo.
Okay, so did you bring your own food? Okay, that's good. Just kidding. So we have food already here. After you eat your lunch, you can go here. There's a cave. Ooh, here, inside.
Is it deep water?
Inside the water is
Wow.
Pasandigan Beach, our third stop for the lunch.
here for 35 minutes, and after that we will go to...
So we didn't go to Nat Nat Beach and we choose Helicopter Island.
Yeah, you can do snorkeling here.
The guide was so kind.
But don't go too far because the waves is really strong.
How beautiful.
Welcome to our last stop. So this is a small lagoon. So behind those rocks, there's a lagoon inside of that. Okay, so this is some kayaking activities here. And for those who don't want to rent a kayak, it's okay. If you want, you can swim, get inside.
Swim back home.
No, you can swim, get inside. So this way.
After those rocks is Little Lagoon. This is a small beach right near the small lagoon. And let's see what we will discover after these rocks. Come on, baby, we are in a hurry. Okay, let me help her. Wait a minute, this is it? This is all the small lagoon? Oh, it's so small. Indeed, compared to the other lagoons that we've seen so far. But let's have some fun and enjoy. It seems that there is another part of this lagoon. It's right through those rocks. I'll go there if my lovely Laura can handle the steering. But overall, a nice, beautiful lagoon. Okay, let me help. Indeed, there was another part. So what you need to know is that here you can also swim, so not only kayaking. We thought that is beautiful, but we didn't imagine this. So, did you enjoy Tour D, my love?
Yes, it was very nice. Quite similar with Tour A, but amazing. And
Yeah.
less crowded.
It's not that touristic, and we enjoyed it. There were not that big crowds. Right now we are at small lagoon and we are kayaking. We are enjoying this awesome day in Tour D, and that means that we are at the end of our trip, having the 5th place already to visit. After this we will go directly home, so hope you've enjoyed it and we'll see you in the next one. We have a bar service also.